Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing target keywords that match viewer intent. This sets everything else. Use tools to find 3-5 viable seeds, then pick one primary keyword. Once chosen, put it in the title and the first 1-2 sentences of your description to signal relevance. Also add it to your tags and file name for technical clarity. You're not guessing, you're aligning content to queries, so focus on specificity and search volume. This increases click-through and early watch signals. Once your keywords are set, optimize the on-page elements to convert impressions into views. You should write a concise, keyword-first title under 70 characters. That improves visibility and CTR. Then craft a 150-300-word description that explains value, includes timestamps, and places your primary keyword early. Add 3-5 tags, the primary, common variants, and a long-tail phrase to cover phrase matches. Make sure your thumbnail clearly reflects the title. Visual relevance boosts click-through rates significantly. Finish by amplifying engagement signals that inform ranking. You need a strong hook in the first 15 seconds, then deliver 30-60 seconds of immediate value to raise watch time. That tells YouTube your video satisfies viewers. Add cards, end screens, and place videos in playlists to increase session time. If traction is low, /B test titles and thumbnails and re-edit the intro. Make iterative changes and re-upload or re-promote. Troubleshoot by checking audience retention graphs and re-optimizing the first 15 seconds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.